Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Media channel. This is a favorite Mathematics Media Comfort and Welcome Answer. I welcome you to my class this minute. If the very first of you joining my class, a special welcome goes to you. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then also click on the notification bell so that you're first be updated whenever I upload a new tutorial. Thank you. Okay, so welcome you all. Oh, I hope you guys have seen my beautiful shirt. So Ghana is my DNA. Okay, now let's get back to business. What do we have for today? Today is on measures of variation. Measures of variation. When you say measure of variation, what is it about? So by the time you leave this class, you should be able to one, find and interpret the range and the interquartile range of a data set using, so that is when it becomes a language. So using what? Using circles, using small groups, using so the activities, your strategy, fix it there. What strategy are you going to use to help students achieve that learning targets? Okay, so when I say measures of variation, what is it about? It's an about. So it describes the spread in the distribution of the data set, that's all. So it describes the sets, the spread, and the distribution of the data set. We will go detail into that. Okay, all right. Then we have one, we have range. What is a range? A range is the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. That is a range. Difference between the highest number and the lowest number. Then under the, what is a quarter? Or a quarter of a cent. That is what, 25 cents, right? Quarter of a dollar is a 25 cents. So I'm going to summarize my lesson quickly into these four major points. Let me pick the whiteboard here. New whiteboard, okay. I hope you guys can see whatever I'm sharing, right? For this navigation, I hope you guys can see. You can actually see. All right, so let's see this one. My bar. You guys said a quarter of a dollar is 25 cents. So I'm going to split this into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So we begin from 0. Then we count to 25. Then we count to a 50. So 25%, 50%. Then we count to 75%. Then the last one is about 100%. 100%. All right. So over here, the 25% is the first quartile. The 25% is the first quartile, okay? So first quartile. Let me pick a pen that is deep, the black pen. So 25 is the first quartile or the lower quartile. Why is my writing like this? Okay. So 25 is the first or lower quartile. Lower quartile. Quartile. Then 50 becomes a median or the second quartile. You guys remember that you said a median is a middle number, right? Median or the second quartile. Then if 75 becomes the third or the upper quartile. Upper quartile. Upper quartile. Right, the 100 becomes 100 over 100, which is what? So we don't count as part. So our focus is on the 25, the 50, and the 75. So the 25 is the first or the lower quantile, 50 is the median or the middle, the second quantile, 75 is the third or the upper quantile. Okay, so now let's move on to our big ideas. We're going to share. Let's close it up. Because so I don't want my whiteboard again. I want to share. I want to share my big ideas. I have some videos and other stuff for you guys, okay? So cancel this one. Oh. Okay, let's stop sharing. Stop share, right? Then we share here. Let's go to screens. Okay. Then we can choose here. Big ideas. Right. Okay. So over here, so these are the key vocabularies that you're supposed to learn under measures of evaluation. I've already told you about the measures of evaluation. Then we come to the range. If we already treated the range as well. The difference between the greatest value and the least value is the range. The Spanish. Okay, so now let's see the set of data here. Identify the highest number. When you specify, identify the lowest number, which is 12. Find the difference. That becomes your range. The Spanish version here to help my Spanish students. So you guys can read. It can actually play for you to also listen as you read, okay? For the Spanish translation. So we go to the next key vocabulary, which is a quartile. Quartile values are divided the data set into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. So if this is my set of data, split the set of data into 2 equal halves. Yeah, it's 2 equal. So I'll come to the types of the quartiles, okay? So what I want to know is quartile divides the data set into 4 equal parts. That's all. Then we now dive deeper into the quartile. So the first we said was the first quartile. So now if this is the set of data we have here, split the set of data into 2 equal halves. This we have 7 set of data. Then split into 2 equal halves. The first half, the median of your first half becomes the first quartile. That's all. The median of your first half of the set of data becomes the first quartile. Okay? Then the 33 is in the middle, so that's the median of the second half. Then the median of the third half becomes your third quartile or your upper quartile. I hope you guys understand it. So the third quartile, as I said, is the median of the upper half of the data set, represented by Q3. So the Q1 is for the first quartile or the lower quartile. The Q2 is the median of the middle, the second quartile. The Q3 is the upper quartile or the third quartile, all right? The interquartile range, usually they will not ask you to find the first and the second quartile. They'll just go straight away, find the interquartile range. With the interquartile range, you would have to find your lower quartile and the upper quartile. Then you get a difference between the two. So they know, but you should know that you would have to find the first quartile, you have to find the third quartile. Then you get a difference to give you your interquartile. Are we okay here? All right, so this is the interquartile. a measure of variation for a data set, which is the difference of the third quartile and the first quartile. All right. So basically, this is what I want you guys to know. This is an example here, but the important thing is one, make sure your data set is organized or rearranged from the least number to the greatest number. Okay, in the ascending order. Right. So one, we've been able to know what a range is, the difference between the higher value or the lower and the lower value. We've been able to know what a quartile is. Data set being divided into 4 equal parts. Then under the quartile, we have the first quartile, the second quartile, then the third quartile, then the interquartile by finding the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. So now we'll go deeper into finding the mean absolute deviation in others. All falls under measures of variation. Okay, so be on the watch. Keep your data on. Keep your data on. And always click on the notification to be the first to be updated whenever I upload a new tutorial. I'm still working for my February African history, Black history. Okay. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I just passed by to give you just a little information, okay? So I thank you so much for your time and attention. And I believe this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay. Do not forget to also share the link to your friends and your colleagues to enjoy with us. So we'll be taken. Please stay safe. You can. I love you guys. Take care of yourselves.